Cassius Ionescu Tulcea. Cassius Tocqueville Ionescu Tulcea, October 14, 1923, March 6, 2021, was a Romanian-American mathematician specializing in probability theory, statistics, and mathematical analysis. Ionescu Tulcea was born in October 1923 in Bucharest. He received his diploma from the University of Bucharest in 1946. There he was an assistant professor from 1946 to 1950, a lecturer from 1950 to 1951, and an associate professor from 1952 to 1957. Additionally, from 1949 to 1957, he was a researcher at the Institute of Mathematics of the Romanian Academy. In 1957, he moved to the United States with his wife Alexandra Ionescu Tulcea née Bagdasar, who had been his student. From 1957 to 1961, he worked as a research associate and visiting lecturer at Yale University. He received his doctorate from Yale in 1959 under the supervision of Einar Hille with thesis semigroups of operators. Cassius Ionescu Tulcea was from 1959 to 1961 a visiting professor at Yale University, from 1961 to 1964 an associate professor at the University of Pennsylvania, and from 1964 to 1966 a full professor at the University of Illinois at Urbana, Champaign. He became in 1966 a full professor at Northwestern University and retired from there as professor emeritus. His marriage to Alexandra Ionescu Tulcea lasted from 1956 to 1969, when they divorced. During their marriage, the two mathematicians wrote a number of papers together, as well as a well-regarded research monograph on lifting theory. John von Neumann initiated lifting theory and functional analysis with applications in probability theory. The Ionescu-Tulcea theorem, an important existence theorem for time-discrete stochastic processes, is named after Cassius Ionescu Tulcea in 1949. He also did research on mathematical game theory and mathematical economics. He co-authored a book on casino gambling and several textbooks on mathematics. He also wrote a 1981 book on casino dice games and gambling systems, and a 1982 book on casino blackjack. In 1957, he was awarded the prize of the Romanian Academy of Sciences. His doctoral students include George Maltese and Robert Langland. He turned 90 in October 2013 and died in Chicago, Illinois in March 2021 at the age of 97. Selected publications: a book on casino blackjack, Van Nostrand, 1982. With Virginia L. Graham, a book on casino gambling written by a mathematician and a computer expert, 1976, second edition, Van Nostrand, 1978. A book on casino craps, other dice games and gambling systems, Van Nostrand, 1981. With Robert G. Bartle, Calculus, Scott Forsman, 1968. With Robert G. Bartle, An Introduction to Calculus, Scott Forsman, 1968. With Robert G. Bartle, Honors Calculus, Scott Forsman, 1970. With William W. Fairchild, Topology, Philadelphia, Saunders, 1971. With William W. Fairchild, Sets, Saunders, 1970. With Alexandra Ionescu Tulcea, Topics in the Theory of Lifting, Ergebnis der Mathematik und ihrer Grenzgebiet, Band 48, Springer Verlag, New York, Inc. == References ==